back, everyone. So this week, gonna try something a little bit different. My 2010 Mustang GT has developed a misfire, so I'm gonna change the spark plug, see if that fixes it. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not even really a backyard mechanic. I'm just basically an average Joe, average Levi, I guess. And I'm not really going to put any recommendations on how to do it or anything like that. This is just going to be the process that I take to do it, and we'll see if it fixes the misfire. Alright, so this one may not be any good. Here's the Motorcraft Platinum. As you can tell, the end of the spark plug's not super great. It's pretty burnt. And these are the Iridium IX, the new ones. Put them side by side for comparison. Just a little bit better. Definitely need to be replaced. I'm hoping that this coil looks like it needs some work. Might be fried. Hopefully not. We'll get all the spark plugs changed. Alright, so I got the first one in. The other's got a bunch of dirt in them, so I'm going to put the coil back on, and if it's not an improvement, if the car still has a misfire, the next thing will be to swap out the my aftermarket coils for back to the originals. Then I'll have to order another set. Alright, so I discovered something while I was going to put this back in. My ignition coil has a nice little crack there and there, which I think is going to cause some issues, so I'm not going to put it back in, which is unfortunate. I was really happy with the Excel super coil that I put in, but I'm going to go with my original Ford product for the Excel. So luckily the coils are just plug and play. You push them in and they're good to go. So I think some moisture is getting in there, possibly from the cracked coil. Double check this one here, no cracks, so we're gonna reinstall it. go. It's one side done. Double check our coil. And we have another one with another crack. Might as well just put all the originals back. Put another original one in. Alright, so for the last one on this side, my sway bar brace is actually in the way, so I'm going to have to loosen it and take it off to get to the spark plug. I don't have the proper knuckle adapter, so it's alright though. Take it off, put it back on. This is actually a bar I put on myself. Similar to the Boss 302 bars.